Clarity and certainty on the US presidential elections have made sure that all the benchmark indices are rallying in trade today. Not only Indian, you also have Asian markets as well as you have European markets that are rallying in trade today. If you look at the benchmark indices back home, we are at record high levels for Nifty as well as for Sensex. But which are the stocks that are buzzing in trade? I'll just take you through those. First up, it is Divi's Laboratories. That particular counter has hit record high levels today. 6% gains intraday is what Divi's Laboratories logged in on back of strong earnings. The Q2 PAT jumped by about 45.6% YOY. Meanwhile, revenue from operations also saw a jump of about 21%. The company said that they are taking up a new capex for 400 crore rupees for meeting new business opportunities in custom synthesis projects. You also have Jefferies that has upgraded the stock to buy from hold. They've also raised the target to 3,772 from 3,159 rupees per share. The stock is up for a fifth straight session. Next, you have Tata Consumers is up on back of upbeat results. The company posted a profit rise of about 33% on a year-on-year basis, and the revenue also saw an uptick. On back of that, the stock is also performing well. Voltas is trading at record high levels again. It came out with its earnings also last week, and the company's board is approved in principle for restructuring its B2B businesses by transferring them to a 100% unit, Rohini Industrial Electrics, on a slump sale basis. Also, you have Jefferies that maintained a buy stance on Voltas with a target of 750 rupees per share. They're saying the room AC market leadership is strengthening, and also Voltas has reported better than expected FY21, Q2 FY21 EBITDA. The stock is up for a fourth straight session. Next, let me talk about Ahluwalia Contracts. That particular counter is up over 6% in trade today. It's up for a third day in a row. The company has one order worth 530 crore rupees from MMRDA. You also have Venky's that has hit a 9-month high on back of strong Q2 earnings. Venky's profit came in at around 36 crore rupees versus 13 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis, while its revenue also came in marginally lower, but its EBITDA also saw an uptick. So that is why Venky's is surging in trade today. Let me talk about losers. You have Lakshmi Vilas Bank that has fallen over 7% intraday. The loss has widened on a year-on-year basis for Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Also, the provisions also came in a tad bit higher on a year-on-year basis. If you look at Ashok Leyland, that's down about 3% intraday. On back of weak earnings, the company actually swung to loss. In Q2, it saw a loss of about 147 crore rupees versus a profit of about 38 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. The revenue also fell by about 28% for Ashok Leyland. The stock is seeing the sharpest intraday drop in about 2 weeks. So these are the set of stocks that are actually moving in trade today.